Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in GTA 5, failed initialization with error code ERR GFX D3D INIT, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on GTA 5 easily. So first off, you're going to open up your Explorer and then you're going to go to your C drive, you're going to go into users, you're going to select your username, you're going to go into documents, and then you're going to go into Rockstar Games. Here you're going to select your game folder. So if you have GTA V Legacy, you'll delete this folder. If you have GTA 5 Enhanced, you're going to delete this folder, but be aware that this will also delete your save files. And the next solution is for both AMD and NVIDIA. So first I'll show you how to do it on an AMD card. You're going to right click on your desktop, go into AMD Adrenaline, you're going to go into performance, and then you're going to go into tuning. And here you need to make sure that automatic tuning is set to default, so just don't have any overclocks running on your computer. So just set this to default. And now I'll show you how to do it on an NVIDIA card. You're going to right click on your desktop, go into NVIDIA control panel, and then you're going to go into help, and here you should have debug mode. So just turn on debug mode on NVIDIA control panel. And after that, you should be able to play GTA 5, and you'll see that you will not get that GFX D3D init error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.